Fort McKay Alcor was created in 2015. It was aimed at providing facilities maintenance and management services on the oil sand plants, and having a company with sound business practices and good working principles. Alcor, that is, it was a good fit. So we initiated a partnership. We created Fort McKay Alcor Incorporated. We looked at the RFP very closely for the FCNS contract that's coming out of Fort Hills. We looked at it very, very closely, in depth and detail, and we found that there's something that we can offer to Fort Hills.
One of the things that we can offer our client is that we have the technical skills and the ability to be able to self-perform a lot of these small tasks that normally would get subcontracted out. And it's definitely, it makes it appealing to the client when we're kind of an all-in-one stop and we can kind of do it all.
So some of our guiding principles when we got together to bring to Fort Hills, if we're successful, were some of the simple things that we do every day in construction. Safety, quality, cost, and schedule. If you have your company structured, you do those things, good things will follow.
We went from 30 people working with the major project division to having the NPA contract, to having the Fort Hills operations contract, to having a project crew, and then also to little tiny things here on site. As well, there's a couple other divisions that formed up on top of that, and that was with Syncrude. Syncrude, we have a busing contract there, which is pretty interesting and somewhat unique. The company's expansion is, I believe you could say it's about 1,000% in about 3 years of growth, which is pretty amazing for a smaller company, a partnership.
One of the things that really impresses me about Fort McKay Alcor is our safety culture. It starts right with our ownership group and stems all the way down through our workers. Our clients are very supportive of this culture that we have.
Safety is number one, very, very paramount to the company. It's something that I live by. It's something I do every day. I want to make sure that every one of these individuals that work for me make it home to their families, because I believe that families are the driving force of why everybody's in existence.
The bottom line is we want to make sure that our workers have a healthy, enjoyable, respectful place to work and go home safe every day.
Something that FMA really works very hard at is how do you balance the safety to the productivity side. And I think that goes right back to our leadership and ownership's expectations that health and safety is always our number one concern. But if you have a proper plan, you work your plan, you ensure that you have everything in place, the productivity thing just follows along.
This company's built a solid reputation on site for our outstanding safety record. We're acknowledged as site leaders for basically putting out a quality product on all tasks sent our way. We have numerous different trades. We have HVAC technicians, we have electricians, we have plumbers, we have carpenters, we have skilled laborers, we have overhead door technicians.
Equipment operators, we repurpose complexes, we move buildings, we do concrete.
We have building operators who go around site doing permits and building checks.
The shift work lifestyle, FMA is essentially a family. We spend more than half of the year up here as a group. The whole group works quite well together, and we get along even better together.
Sometimes we see each other more than we do our families, so being a really cohesive group that works well together is really important, and it's something that I've found to be really impressive with FMA.
In all honesty, I mean, the best part about this company is the people, because I've worked at a lot of companies, and this one, to me, the talent level we have here and the willingness to do what it takes to be successful. People here care, and they want to be successful, and they want the company to be successful.
It's that whole group idea that we are going to do the best we can, and we're going to make sure that we're safe, we're effective and efficient, and providing the best service we can all provide for our clients.
The guiding principles we adopted, safety, quality, cost, and schedule, enabled us to be successful. We were going to deliver these same principles, the same attitude, the same culture that we do in any job we do. And that's what's going to make us successful. It's by providing opportunities to individuals, making the individuals feel very good about what they're doing. They in turn are going to bring success back to the company, who then brings success back to the client.
In order for us to be successful, we need to be safe, we need to be productive.
FMA is definitely a company that I want to stay with because they're a grown company, and I think I found a home and a family to be part of. You all strive to get the task done, and it's great. I like it.
That's what's exciting about Fort McKay Alcor, is that we all work together and we're all learning from each other because we're always helping each other.
I feel very fortunate to be part of this team. It's a great team, and we got lots of years to go.
It's the best team I've ever been a part of, by far.